Welcome to our quick tutorial on adding yields in Harvest Profit. If I go to my yields page and click on one of my crops, so today I'll do corn, you always want to have a planned yield in for your crops. This will drive your production estimate throughout the year. So if it's January 1st and you're planning for the current year, you'll want to add a yield to have some sort of estimated budget for this coming crop season. So I'll just add a custom amount. I can do whatever. I'll do 130 for this field and I'll do 150 for this one. Now, when it comes time for actual harvest season, you have a couple different options. If you're integrated with John Deere Operations Center or bringing in field view data, I can click add yield and then choose Operations Center. And that's going to import the field total amount from Operations Center. Additionally, I could also choose a custom amount if let's say I have recorded scale amounts on my farm and I want to use those yield amounts, I can do that and just enter in a custom amount for what it actually was. And let's just call it 134. This will then update my production to the actual amount that I've harvested for this growing crop season. If you have any questions on this, please email support@harvestprofit.com or click on this help button, click the Ask tab, and send us an email directly from there. Thanks.